Hi boys and girls. So today we're going to briefly review time. So we're going to start talking about time a little bit. Just to start it off, I'm not going to get, super in depth with it today, but I do just want to go over that first page of the math packet that starts talking about time. So on that page you should have a clock, and it wants you to label the different parts. It wants us to label the hour hand, the minute hand, and the second hand, and then the clock numbers. I didn't put that. The hour hand is over here. The hour is the shorthand on the number that tells us what hour of the day it is. So this one is pointing to the 4, so we know that it's somewhere in the 4 o'clock range. The minute hand, which is up here, we'll label that, is going to tell us for what. So when we're reading a clock, you read the hour hand first, so we know that this is pointing to 4. So we know it's for something. But we don't know what. It could be 4 o'clock, it could be 4:30, it could be 4:45. We have no idea. So you read the hour hand first, which is pointing at 4, and then we look at our minute hand. When our minute hand is pointing straight up at the 12, that means it's 4 o'clock. That means it's whatever o'clock. So if the hour hand was pointing at the 5, it'd be 5 o'clock. If it was pointing at the 6, it'd be 6 o'clock. Whenever it's pointing at the 12, that means it's exactly on the hour. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8, whatever it may be. So this hand clock reads 4 o'clock. Exactly. Then our other hand down here is the second hand. That one's going to move the fastest and tell us how many seconds in the minute. So right now this clock reads 4 o'clock. The minute hand is up here on the 12, and the hour hand is down here on the 4. On your next page, it wants you to circle, if you want to go ahead and try it, I'm going to teach it more in depth tomorrow, but the next page wants you to circle which pictures show the hour, and then it wants you to draw a few hours. If you want to give it a try, you're more than welcome. Remember, it's only on the hour if the minute hand is pointing at the 12. So if the minute hand is not pointing at the 12, you're not going to circle it. But the next page wants you to circle which picture shows on the hour. So all clocks, if the minute hand is pointing at the 12, is on the hour. And then your hour hand is pointing at whatever hour it is. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. So if you want to try that next page, you're more than welcome to. I'm going to go more in depth on that tomorrow. But that is the labeling, the correct labeling for that clock. So if you want to fill that in, you can. And then the other blank is just the clock numbers. So that's just a quick start on time and how clocks work. And then, like I said, I'll get more in depth on that tomorrow. Bye.